Welcome to Bayou Outdoor Supercenter, and here's a great RV from our giant selection of motorhomes, fifth wheels, and trailers. This beautiful motorhome comes equipped with triple slides, generator, full body paint, roof ladder, outside entertainment center with TV and speakers, hydraulic levelers, triple step entry, outside shower, remote heated driver and passenger mirrors, shower skylight, roller shade window coverings, bedroom television, battery disconnect, pillow top mattress, solid surface kitchen countertops, corner angle shower, vanity with sink, oven, power passenger seat with footrest, high-rise faucet, freestanding table with chairs, interior grab handle at entry door, lower kitchen cupboards and drawers, decorative kitchen backsplash, living room fireplace, pull-out spray faucet, dual dash fans, stainless double kitchen sink, dual bedroom nightstands. Bayou Outdoor wants to get you ready for outdoor fun with the boat or RV of your dreams. We carry over 200 new and used motorhomes, fifth wheels, travel trailers, toy haulers, folding campers from some of the most popular brands. Stop by today or visit us online at BayouOutdoor.com. Bayou Outdoor Supercenter, providing savings, selection, and service for over 40 years. Welcome to the family.